Most companies treat Oracle renewals like paperwork, and that's exactly why Oracle wins. A renewal isn't administrative. It's a negotiation disguised as a calendar event, and if you simply sign the invoice, Oracle will happily lock you into another year of inflated support, oversized license footprints, and one-sided terms. The truth is simple. Your leverage disappears the moment you wait until the renewal month. Oracle's pricing model rewards the customers who prepare 6 to 12 months ahead, not the ones who scramble at the end. Smart enterprises use renewals to reset the commercial relationship. They cut unused licenses, challenge support fees, renegotiate terms they should never have accepted, and, when needed, introduce alternatives like third-party support to show Oracle they're not captive. Here's your tip. Before you even talk to Oracle, run your own internal renewal audit. Define what you need, what you don't, and what Oracle will try to expand. If you control the scope first, you control the negotiation. If your Oracle renewal is coming up, reach out. Share your NDA and your renewal proposal. We'll review it and show you where you can reduce cost, fix terms, and negotiate from strength, not urgency.